I'm working with the team at Ferguson today, and I want to show you just how easy it is to cook a lobster from scratch. It is not something to be intimidated by. Honestly, any home cook could do it. So I'm going to show you lobster with caper and dill butter. Let's do it. Now, the brilliant thing about these Ferguson lobsters is they actually come cracked in half, which is probably the most intimidating bit, I think, if you're buying a whole lobster. So we can just pop that straight onto a tray. Now, I want to protect the lobster as it's cooking in the oven. So that's what the butter's going to do. I've got some softened butter here, so it's going to be nice and easy to stir into. I'm going to go a grated clove of garlic. I'm going to go the zest of a lemon. We're then going to go some chopped capers, dill, and parsley. Now I'm just going to generously spoon over that butter all over the lobster. It's going to flavor it, it's going to insulate it, it's going to stop it overcooking. All right, now into a nice hot oven, 200 degrees, fan force preheated, pop it in, and it's going to be about kind of 8 to 10 minutes or until it's cooked. Pop this in the middle of the table, serve it with some roast potatoes or a little salad or something, and I promise you, you're going to make someone very happy.